Hello, hello, hello. We are live. Welcome. Good morning. We're looking at the Bitcoin chart on the 1 hourly time frame. We've had a break of structure. We've had a clear breakout. The Bitcoin chart is currently in an uptrend. If you're new to this channel, my name is Williams. We do technical analysis on the Bitcoin along with other cryptocurrencies. If you're new, subscribe to this channel, turn on push notifications so you stay up to date on daily analysis like this. We'll be analyzing the Bitcoin chart along with other cryptocurrencies for trading setups and how best you can take advantage of the opportunity the market presents. In our channel, we've been profitable. We've entered some trades and we've made some profit. Remember, nothing in this channel should be construed as a financial advice. This channel is strictly for educational purposes, empowering traders with trading setups. On the Bitcoin chart, we had a clear break of structure. We've had a clear daily breakout. In the 1 hourly time frame, we can see a clear breakout. We broke above this our previous support level, which will confirm, which will turn into resistance level. We broke above it. We go down to the lower time frame and look at the 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, the Bitcoin chart is about to start retracing. We expect a retracement soon. Should not forget this our support level that we outlined from our previous videos, the level of $20,500. The 15 minutes time frame, we'll have a retracement. We take our, if this is our swing low, the swing high. We still have a bounce from here in the 15 minutes time frame, taking from the swing low to the swing high. Will come as low as the level of 20,550 at the level of 20,502. From this level, what are we looking for? We are looking for bullish consolidations at this level. If we take our path, we are looking for bullish consolidations at this level, a double bottom, then a break of structure. A break of structure, then on the retracement, you can enter the trade for a move to the upside. That's if the market is respecting this level as a level of retracement, coming back to test this support level, this resistance, this previous resistance level, converting into support, the level of $20,500. So we can expect this kind of retracement in the coming hours on Bitcoin. In 15 minutes time frame, we just analyze that. We could expect a retracement and then the continued move to the upside. Go down to the daily time frame, we've had a clear break of structure. We've had a clear break of structure. Go to the daily time frame. Remember, we spoke about this important support level. We had 4 touches. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are currently having a clear bounce from this level. A clear bounce from this level. This can give us a very big double bottom and signal a trend reversal. Signal a trend reversal. This is what we classify as a double bottom. This being the first bottom. Let's see, clear double bottom. We could actually expect a move at least to the neckline, to the level of $24,500 in the coming days. So right now, we've had a clear break of structure. In our previous video, we analyzed this trend line. We said that the trend is your friend to the end. We've been having lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. For us to start looking for buying opportunity, the market has to give us a higher high. Then we then enter the trade on the next lower high, on the next higher low rather. Then we can now start buying the market for a move to the upside. So the market has given us a clear break of this structure in the daily time frame. We've had a clear break of the structure, breaking above the previous highs, which was the level of this was the previous highs. We've had a clear break of the structure, breaking above the previous highs, which was the level of $20,000 on the Bitcoin chart. Had a clear break of structure. So on the daily time frame, we could also expect a retracement, a further retracement. We go down to the 4 hourly time frame to support the trend. So we talked about the 15 minutes retracement. This we could enter the trade for a quick scalp for a continued move to the upside. So if we'll be using the 4-hourly time frame, we take our Fibonacci from the swing low, wherever the market is expecting as the next swing high. The market starts giving us consolidations at this level. We start seeing some choppy actions. Then we could expect this level as the swing high, wherever the market gives us the choppy actions. Remember, on the 4-hourly time frame, we'll be patient, wait for the market to give us choppy actions as the next swing high. Then on the retracement, you can then buy the market at the 0.5 or 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So clearly we can see with this break of these previous highs, we can see we are currently starting an uptrend. We are currently starting an uptrend on Bitcoin. But remember, we do not buy the market at the higher high. Rather, wait for the market to give us the next higher low. Wait for the market to give us the next higher low. We had a clear new higher high. Wait for the market to give us the next higher low, which on the 4-hourly time frame could be this if we are respecting this level of 19,171 as the new swing low, and wherever the market gives us the next swing high, then we can enter a trade. But still on the 15 minutes time frame, this is a scalp position we see. Scalp position we see on the Bitcoin chart. Minutes time frame. Minutes time frame. We are already seeing retracements on the level of 20,766. So we can expect a retracement to the 0.5 or 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Then the consolidations that we talked about, what we can do is we can use our trend line to draw a trend to the downside. Use our trend to draw a trend to the downside, just indicating the retracement. So this is what we're expecting of the charts, expecting to give us the consolidations. Then when we have a break of this our trend line, any form of retracement, we buy the market for a move to the upside. Using this 15 minutes time frame chart pattern, the target take profit 3 is a level of 21,285. 21,285. Then we put our stop loss either at the swing low or at the 1.16 Fibonacci retracement level, which is either the level of 20,333 or the level of 20,264. Using this chart pattern we just analyzed, long position, this is actually a 1:3, 1:2.82 trade. If the market is respecting this chart pattern we just analyzed, this could actually take us a 1:2.82 risk to reward standpoint. So this is a good trade. Remember, nothing in this channel should be construed as a financial advice. This channel is strictly for educational purposes and empowering traders with trading setups. If you're new to this channel, this is how we'll be having live streams and videos, daily videos on the Bitcoin along with cryptocurrencies, charts. Click on the subscribe button, turn on push notifications so you stay up to date on time-sensitive, real-time updates on the chart. You can drop a comment in the chat if you have a cryptocurrency you want us to analyze. Drop a chat, the comment section. We're moving over to Ethereum now. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum chart, you can go to the start on the daily time frame. In our previous video, we talked about an inverse head and shoulder pattern that we are currently at the neckline in the Ethereum chart. We talked about an inverse head and shoulder pattern in the Ethereum chart. We are currently testing the neckline which is the level between the level of 1,694 and the level of 1,710. This is the potential inverse head and shoulder pattern on Ethereum. And the inverse head and shoulder pattern is usually a bullish chart pattern. That signals trend reversal. This chart pattern could take us as high as the level of 1,960. That's the target of this chart pattern, this inverse head and shoulder pattern on the Ethereum chart. If we are having a clear break above the level of $1,700. We go down to the 4-hourly time frame on Ethereum. Four-hourly time frame on Ethereum. The inverse head and shoulder pattern is clearly seen in the 4-hourly time frame on Ethereum. We are currently at the neckline in the Ethereum chart, level of $1,700. So if we are having a break of this level, obviously we are looking for a clear break of this level. Then on the retracement, any form of retracement, we could enter the market for a move to the upside. The overall target on this trade is the level of $1,960 on the Ethereum chart. To clear this now, let's go to the Fibonacci retracement levels and see as the market will respect these levels. Go down to the 1-hourly time frame to support the trend to the upside. In the Ethereum charts, you can see the market is currently giving us some consolidations at this level. In the Ethereum chart. We had a break above the previous highs. We created a new higher high on Ethereum. This was the previous high on Ethereum. The previous high was the level of 1,671. We created a new higher high. We are currently retracing for the market to give us the next higher low. We use our Fibonacci 2 and the Fibonacci 2. Using our Fibonacci 2. Use the level of 1,632 is our swing low. Go down to lower time frame. And clear this. The market is expecting this level of 1,000 on the 50-minute chart, level of 1,639 as our swing low. And we are currently having our swing high as level of 1,714. We can expect a retracement to the 0.5 and 0.61 Fibonacci retracement level, which is the level of 1,676 or the level of 1,666 on the Ethereum chart. People expect a consolidation at this level. So what we can do, just as in BTC, the market could give us a retracement to this level, to give us a new higher low for us to see a consolidation and then buy the market for a move to the upside. That's if the market is respecting this level as our Fibonacci retracement level. We also want to note that it is possible that the market doesn't give us a retracement to this level. Rather, in the coming hours, we see consolidations at this our resistance level. Remember, we are at the verge of a breakout on Ethereum, so we could actually be seeing consolidations at this level, consolidations at this level, and then a clear breakout for a move to the upside. So in this kind of situation, what we can do is we outline our resistance level and outline our support level. When we're having a clear break of our resistance level, we can then buy the market, because the market could actually, the trade could actually be giving us a bull flag. Market could actually be giving us a bull flag on Ethereum if we are seeing the consolidation. The market is not giving us a retracement. We are seeing the consolidation like this trading pattern we outlined. Then we are having a break of structure, break above the resistance level. Then trade could give us a bull flag. We enter the market at the breakout, and then enter the trade for the take profit. The target is level of $1,800 or the level of $1,790. So whichever way the market gives us, we are currently seeing a consolidation now. Could be a retracement. Market give us a retracement to our 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, or we may just be consolidating between the level of 1,712 and the level of $1,690. We are seeing this kind of consolidation, then to entertain a trade to the upside. Give us a retracement, or we have a break by resistance level. So this is what we see on Ethereum. Overall, the trend is bullish on both Bitcoin and Ethereum. We had a break of structure. We are now creating higher highs. We expect the market to give us a higher low in the coming days on BTC. Higher low. We expect this kind of consolidation during the weekend. Remember, today is Friday. Do not encourage trading during the weekend because of no institutional flow into the crypto markets over the weekend. So we expect this kind of consolidation to our 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. The chart will actually got a coin, cryptocurrency you want us to examine, want us to look into. Let's look at analyze Solana in our previous video. Look at Solana USDT. Bitcoin had a bounce. All other cryptocurrency had a bounce. So the trade we analyzed from our previous video, Solana yesterday. The chart is a little bit messy. On Solana, that's why it's very good to be patient and wait for the market to give us confirmation before we enter the trade. In our previous video on Solana, which was yesterday, we outlined that this was our previous low, the level of $32. We had to wait. It's very important to wait for confirmation. A clear break of this support level. A clear break then on the retracement before we sell the market for a move to the downside. The market did not give us a break of structure, rather we've been creating new highs on Solana. We should also remember that we analyzed that the market could come back and test this our supply level, which we are currently testing, the level of $35, which is where we are currently on Solana. We go down to the 4-hourly time frame, see that this is a very important level on Solana. The trend for some days now on Solana has been bearish. We've been creating lower highs and lower lows. Lower highs and lower lows. So we are currently testing our supply level on Solana. We use our resistance rectangle tool, apply the box. So until we break above this level, the trend is still, we are still looking for sell opportunities on Solana. So we are currently testing our previous supply level. So at this level here, we use our trend line to apply the trend to the upside. And then if we're having a break of structure, we can then sell the market for a move to new lows. Move to the new lows. So Solana at this level now, what can we do? We can go down to lower time frame, 15 minutes time frame to apply the trend. This was the previous low on Solana, the 15 minutes time frame. the level of $34. So if on the Solana chart we are having a break below the level of $34, a clear break of this level, then on the retracement, any form of retracement, you can then entertain a sell position or move to the downside. That's a trade we see on Solana. Why? Because the trend on the higher time frame is still bearish. We are currently testing the supply level. Unless we are having a clear break of this our resistance level, a clear break of this resistance level, then in any form of retracement, you can buy the market for new highs. Buy the market at the retracement for new highs. You need to see, you also need to be careful of fake outs. You need to see a clear break of this level, a clear break of structure with volume. You can use the volume indicator, a clear break of structure with volume. Then you can enter the market, enter a trade on any form of retracement, just as we've been doing on other trades. We use our Fibonacci tool for applying the 0.5 and 0.61 Fibonacci retracement level for us to enter a buy opportunity or move to continue upside. So the trend on Bitcoin chart is bullish right now. You just need to see a retracement in 15 minutes time frame, or if the market is giving us a 4-hour time frame retracement for us to look for buy opportunity, creating higher highs. Generally, we are looking for higher lows to enter a trade, where we do not buy the market at the new highs. Wait for the market to give us a retracement just to enter a trade. But on the Solana chart right now, we are currently at the resistance level. We either face a rejection to the downside or a clear break of structure, break of these highs to give us a breakout, and then a retracement to enter a trade. We should not forget that if we are having a break of structure here, the target will come as low as the new support level, the level of $28, or even as low as $21 if we are having volatile. We go down to the daily time frame. Solana chart. Taking from so we see that taking from the swing high could actually come as low as the level of $29 or even the level of $26 on Solana if we are having a rejection. But then if you're having a clear break of structure, then we start entertaining long trades for a retracement to for a move to create new highs on Solana. If you enjoyed the content thus far, click on the like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm. It's one way of supporting the channel. We've looked at Bitcoin, we looked at Ethereum, we looked at Solana. That altcoin we could also be looking at is ADA. ADA USDT. Many persons on the live stream. Oh, we're just starting out. We're looking at ADA on the daily time frame. Using our Fibonacci tool on the daily time frame, we take it from the swing high This level of 0.5692 to the swing low. You can see we are approaching our 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. On the daily time frame, we got rejected from our 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level previously. We go down to the 4-hourly time frame to spot the trend. The 4-hourly time frame, this was the previous lows. These are rectangle 2. We had a clear break of structure in the 4-hourly time frame. Got rejected, had a clear break of structure. Then on the retracement, the 4-hourly time frame, these are the swing high to the swing low. So we're actually expecting a retracement to this level, 0.4866 or the level of 0.4815 to sell the market for a move to the downside. For the market, the chart isn't respecting our 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Can go down to lower time frame, to the 30 minutes time frame, and 8 It's very important we note something right now. When we approach our 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level for retracement, we are not just looking for this level for to sell the market. We are looking for a clear break of structure. We're also looking for a break of structure for us to have a confirmation that the chart is actually going down before we sell the market. So at this level we got rejected. What we can do is we can use our trend line to, as we approach our 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. Once we are having a break of this our trend line, once we are having a clear break, what we are looking for at our Fibonacci retracement level, if we are having a break of our trend line, then a break of structure, then once we are having a clear break of our trend line, then we can then start entertaining sell position to the downside. So right now we see that the market is in respecting our 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. At the moment, we can still draw our trend line. You can still draw our trend line. So the market could actually come back to test the previous highs, which was our 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. But do not forget that the trend in the daily time frame and in the 4-hourly time frame is to the downside. So we're actually looking for sell opportunities on Cardano in the chart. So the market has been giving us highs. We go down to the 1-hourly time frame. So if we are having a clear break of structure, we are having a break of structure, Cardano, this was our low level of 0.4821. If we are breaking below this level, Cardano, if we are breaking below this level, we can entertain sell position. You're having a break below this level, break below this previous low, clear break below this previous low, then you can entertain a sell position for a move to the target of this trade. Take profit 1, level of 0.45, profit 2, level of 0.42, profit 3, level of 0.4080. The market could actually come back if the market is not giving us a rejection now to come back to our 0.5 and 0.61 which is actually retracement level, and then go back to the 4-hourly time frame to come back to our Fibonacci levels. We come back to our Fibonacci levels. As far as we are not breaking above these levels, we are still in a downtrend. We've not created higher highs yet. This is our previous high, level of 0.50. We come back to this level, we test it, and then if we are going to break it, this is not a time to enter long position. Rather, we wait for the market to do its thing. If we are going to have a break above our previous highs, or we're going to face a rejection, then the market has to give us a clear break of structure, whether a break of structure to the downside or a break of structure to the upside. Then the market is giving us new highs, then the retracement can enter a trade for a move to the upside. Whatever the market does, as traders, we do not predict the market. Rather, we wait for the market to do its thing. Then, on the retracement, any form of retracement, or if the market gives us an opportunity to enter the trade for a move to the upside. So that's that on Cardano. No clear trade yet until the market gives us a break of structure. Don't forget, you can actually drop cryptocurrency you want us to review. And drop the cryptocurrency you want us to review in the live stream. Look at Solana, look at ADA, look at the BNB coin, Binance coin. One of those coins are mirrors Bitcoin movement, BNB coin. Start from the daily time frame. We have no trading structure here. Just like Bitcoin, we're in a downtrend previously, but we are seeing a potential inverse head and shoulder on the daily time frame. We are currently seeing a potential inverse head and shoulder on the daily time frame. This being the neckline. This being the neckline. The level of between the level of 300 and between the level of 338 and the level of 329. This being the left shoulder, the head, and this being we are currently forming the right shoulder. So in the coming days, the BNB chart could actually give us a move up to the neckline. This is actually a bullish chart pattern in the BNB chart that could actually signal a trend reversal. On the daily time frame, this chart pattern, if we're having a break above our neckline, it could actually take us as high as the level of 478 in the BNB chart. For now, let's say we have a break of the neckline This is just mere speculation. So what can we do? We delete this. We use our trend line, spot the downtrend. So in the BNB chart, we currently have a break of structure. In the BNB chart, we have a break of structure creating new highs. This was our previous, go down to the 4-hourly time frame, BNB chart. Reloading the chart. If you're new to the channel, we'll be having live streams every day. We usually post daily content on the Bitcoin charts along with Ethereum. We'll be having live streams to connect to the community. You can also follow us on Twitter, Learn Trends, where we post daily updates on the cryptocurrency market. Link is in the description below. For the BNB charts, this was the previous highs. Previous highs. We are currently having a break of structure, creating new highs. We expect the market to give us a retracement, to give us new higher lows, for us to buy the market for the continued move to the upside. If the market is actually respecting this level, the level of $290 as the new highs, we go down to the lower time frame to see the consolidation. We are currently having a consolidation at this level, the level of $290. We actually take our Fibonacci tool from the swing low, the swing high, if the market is respecting this level. The swing low mean the level of $281. The swing high mean the level of $291. We'll actually expect a retracement to our 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, which is level of 286 and level of 285. At this level, we are expecting consolidations. We are looking for consolidations, bullish consolidations at this level. And then, should not forget, we're also looking for a break of structure, and then on the retracement, move to the upside. So when we start the consolidation, we are not looking for a volatile 15 minutes candle to the downside. No, this is not a retracement. If you see this kind of volatile one candlestick to the downside, it is not a retracement. Then it shows that we may actually break this support level if you're having such volatile candles. Rather, I want to expect gradual consolidations, retracement to this level. You are seeing a 15 minutes or 30 minutes candle, straight volatile candle to the downside, then you need to be wary at this level. But the likelihood that we are going to even break to us 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level is there. So if we are having the consolidations and the break of structure as we outlined from this level, the target is the level of 302. If the market actually respects this trade, if the market will respect this trade, we can put our stop loss at the level of 1.16 Fibonacci retracement level. This is actually 1:2.5 risk to reward standpoint. It's a quick scalp on it is on Binance BNB coin. If you are respecting this level, the market gives us a retracement to this level, and enter a trade for a quick scalp to the level of 302 in the 15 minutes time frame before we start having higher time frame retracement. Before we start having higher time frame retracement. This is the ratio 1:2.5 risk to reward standpoint. It's very important that we allow with a moderate stop loss because we let the market do its thing. Always let the market do its thing. Always let the market give room for the market to for volatility. You do not want to put a very tight stop loss that a small retracement lower levels, and then we are out of the market. We also want to be careful with putting a very high stop loss. It won't make sense. So we are risking one with a one, or something like one with a 1.2. This looks like gambling. Rather, put it at 1 point at the one level, or the 1.16, where we are risking one to get three. So if the market actually hits our stop loss, just one third of the, you know that whenever we hit a profitable trade, it's actually going to cover threefold of what we lost in this trade. So this is a trade we see on BNB. If we are having a retracement to this level, to 0.5 and 0.618 retracement level. Also, just like BTC, we are creating higher highs at the clear break of the previous highs, which was level $284. The market is expecting this level. But also, Fibonacci tool is also a very flexible tool. Expect this level. What we are looking for, don't forget that we will draw a trend line through on the retracement. We will draw a trend line so that we only enter the trade when we are having a break of our trend line. When we are having a break of our trend line, then on the retracement, we are going to be very patient and wait for the clear break of this trend line. If not, we will actually get rejected and continue the move to the downside. We also want to be very careful of fake outs. This is what we see on BNB. BNB chart. Analyze the BNB chart. Let's take one more cryptocurrency. So look at the Ethereum chart, look at the BNB chart. Let's look at EGLD. We'll start from the daily time frame around gold. EGLD on the daily time frame, we are currently having a bounce from support level. Very important to use our daily time frame to outline support levels, key support levels. So in the EGLD chart, we are currently having a bounce from our support levels. The trend is still bearish. The trend is still bearish on the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, the trend is still bearish. We are creating lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. We are currently testing the previous highs. We are currently at a resistance level in EGLD. The pump we had for the past 3 days is only a retracement to previous highs. Still use only a retracement to previous highs. So we are currently at previous highs. We can take our Fibonacci 2 from this high. See that little above, we go down to the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame. We had a pump to our Fibonacci retracement level. The pump we had was only a retracement to the Fibonacci retracement level in the 4-hour time frame on EGLD. It's only a retracement to the 4-hour time frame on EGLD. So we are currently at our resistance level with our 0.5 and 0.618 retracement level. So at this level, what are we looking for? We are still looking for sell opportunities, because we've not broken above this our resistance level. So on EGLD, we're expecting the chart to give us consolidations at this level, and then when we're having a break of structure, a clear break of structure on the retracement, you can now buy the market, sell the market rather, for a continued move to the downside. Take profit one, the level of $46. That's if the market is actually respecting this Fibonacci retracement level and we are coming down from here. We go down to the lower time frame, the 1 hourly time frame, and draw a trend line. So on the 1 hourly time frame, we draw a trend line to outline the trend. In the 1 hourly time frame, and delete this so ready to purchase a point. EGLD, we are at a resistance level, so we can't be buying the market at this level. We can't be buying the market at this level, and we can also be selling the market too because of a few candle rejection at this level. So we'll wait for the market to do its thing. If we are going to have a break of this level, if we'll be having a break of our resistance level, we want to have a clear break of structure, a clear breakout. Then when the market gives us a clear breakout in any form of retracement on the lower time frame, 30 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, we use our Fibonacci tool, and then we can buy the market to continue move to the upside. If the market is giving us a clear breakout. So if we are seeing consolidations at this level, then we are seeing consolidations at this level. Currently, this is where our previous low is. Our previous low is level of $51. Our previous low is level of $51. We expect the market to give us the consolidation, come back to test our support, or we are having this kind of consolidation, and then let the market give us a new low. We are having a break of the low, then the retracement, and then sell the market for a move to the downside. So for now on EGLD, we'll be patient and let the market do its thing. If you are going to have a break of structure, we are going to have a breakout from our resistance level, then we enter the market and the retracement for a buy trade. But if the market is giving us consolidation, then we wait to use our trend line to outline the new lows. And so if you're having a break of below our previous lows, then on the retracement, we sell the market for a move to the downside. So we outline both the bullish and the bearish case scenario for both EGLD and for EGLD. Should not also forget, as a way of recap, we analyze the Bitcoin chart, BTC, USDT, the Bitcoin chart, broke above previous resistance level, go down to 15 minutes time frame, where we took our retracement from. Minutes time frame. We want to be patient as the market gives us the consolidation. We want to be patient as the market gives us the consolidation. We outlined our 0.5 and 0.61 Fibonacci retracement level. We want to wait for the market to come to this level. We do not want to buy the market at the swing at the highs. Rather, I want to be patient and let the market do its thing. Just as we analyzed for Ethereum, that this could actually play out to be a bull flag. This could actually play out to be a bull flag. So this could actually play out to be a bull flag. So if we are having a break, we know that the Fibonacci retracement level, the target is 21,285. But if we see more volatility from this level, we can rather be in a risk-free trade put our stop loss above our probably at our tip of the two and see as the market approach new heights. You can also forget that that is also a scenario on Bitcoin chart. But for now, we will be patient, wait as the market gives us the consolidation and finally a retracement to our 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So that's from the Bitcoin chart, the Ethereum chart. This is also what we analyze on the Ethereum chart. You can also forget that we analyze the inverse head and shoulder pattern. We are currently at the neckline, which is the level 1710. They are currently giving us a consolidation at the neckline. So we have our 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, our Fibonacci retracement level. So we could actually expect a retracement to this level. It's still in the cards, or we could see consolidation at our neckline. We could see a consolidation at our neckline, and then we outline our resistance level and our support level. If we are having a break above our resistance level, then we can start entertaining long position, because we could actually be having a bull flag pattern. The bull flag is we have a pull, a breakout, then consolidation, and then another breakout, another leg up. So that is the cards for Ethereum. Then we also outline the chart for Solana, Solana USDT. The Solana charts, we are testing resistance level. We want the market to do its thing. That we have a breakout or we face a rejection. We'll be patient and let the market do its thing, and then we will react to the market. So if you're new to the channel, click on the subscribe button, turn on push notifications so you stay up to date on daily analysis like this. And if you enjoyed the content thus far, click on the like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm. So this is where we're ending the live stream for today. Thank you very much for seeing through.